It seems like Elon Musk is not content with electric cars shooting people into space and even inhabiting Mars. He also wants to get inside our brains with his new startup, Neuralink. If you don't know who Elon Musk is, which is very unlikely because you're watching this video. Anyway, Elon Musk is an engineer by graduation, industrial designer, technology entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. He has many companies under his hood, including SpaceX, Tesla, The Boring Company, OpenAI, and you might have guessed, he is a multi billionaire and also one of the most powerful people in the world listed by Forbes. Knowing about its founder, you might have grasped the magnitude and the impact of his neurotechnology startup Neuralink. It was founded by Elon Musk and others in 2016. Neuralink first started out as a company developing implantable brain machine interfaces. The company, since its founding, has hired several high profile neuroscientists from various universities. In June 2019, after receiving a funding of $158 million and with 90 employees, Neuralink announced that it was working on a sewing machine-like device capable of implanting very thin threads into the brain. It also demonstrated a system that read information from the brain of a lab rat, anticipating to start experiments with humans in 2020. But since 2020 is already making humans running out of brains, it is too early to start human experiments. In 2017, Neuralink was trying to make devices that treat serious brain diseases in the short term, with the eventual goal of human enhancement, also referred as transhumanism. Elon Musk was inspired by the idea of neural lace in the series of 10 novels called The Culture. Musk also explained that the long-term goal was to achieve symbiosis with artificial intelligence. Wait a minute, why does it feel like I am narrating a science fiction movie? Neuralink's goal is to develop devices that can make you superhumans. Yes, and I am not kidding. The basic application will be the treatment of blindness and paralysis. This can help disabled people to control their prosthetic arms and legs. But Musk has other big things in mind. He spoke of aiming to link that technology with implants that instead of actuating movements can be used to control external softwares and gadgets at broadband speed. Am I the only one who is thinking that this is a bit weird?
The future is going to be weird.
And this happened in 2017. In 2020, they have really made the sewing machine-like device that implants a chip directly into your brain. And as an upgrade to its previous chip, which was placed behind your ear, this upgraded chip can be placed directly into your brain with minute threads that can be attached to various parts of your brain. In the recent event, Neuralink featured 3 pigs, one that had the implant, another one that had the implant previously and then removed, and another one just a normal pig. And the online event of showcasing the new chip also showed us the live video of the neurons firing in the pig's brain.
The beeps you're hearing are real-time signals from the Neuralink in Gertrude's head. So this Neuralink connects to neurons that are in her snout. So whenever she snuffles around and touches something with her snout, that sends out neural spikes, which are detected here.
Yes, the red rods you see are the neurons. Yeah, we just saw how brains work electrically. Elon also explained how the chip will be placed. Note that this startup is still very far from launching a commercial product, so don't panic. A coin-shaped piece of the skull will be removed and this chip will be placed. And the way Elon explains it, it seems it's easier than some dental implants. And here is what the chip can do. And this is where things actually get weird. The chip in the future can offer its users the ability to see ultraviolet rays and also some superhuman abilities like uploading your memory, replaying your memory, and you can also download your memories into a robot or other humans.
Be able to save and replay memories. You could upload, you could basically store your memories as a backup. and restore the memories. And ultimately, you could potentially download them into a new body or into a robot body.
Did I just hear that? Well, then the future is gonna be very interesting. The brain chip will have an all-day battery life with charges during the night. It can connect with your phone's Bluetooth with 5 to 10 meters of range. It has 1024 channels which you can browse through with your TV remote when you get bored. Well, I was kidding. I'm doing a spec review of a brain chip. Who knows, maybe one day I will do an unboxing of the brain chip. Future is weird. With the growing technology in the world where even the mobile phones in our hands can be hacked, just imagine what happens if someone hacks the chip inside your brain. And all of a sudden I start to speak in gibberish.
Right on the parsec right on the sidetrack.
I don't know what you're saying.
Right on the right on the parsec would go to the sidetrack. Is that where the bird was going?
That's a watered down example. Hacking brain chips can do much more than that. But still, it's a great breakthrough in neural sciences. And I must admit, watching a brain working in real time, that's pretty dope. Alright then, if you wanna catch up on all the latest creepy, weird and the most amazing things happening in the tech world, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Tanosh, this is Starboy, and I'll catch you in the next one.